And the rope, Blind Ambition looking for the lead, moving up. Barefoot Contessa now from the outside. It's now Barefoot Contessa, Blind Ambition moving up to take third. Sangre del Tigre moving up by the wheel. Super Wind and followed by Pleasure Giver. Another straight day trouble. Barefoot Contessa moving up is Super Wind. It's now Super Wind leading the pack, followed by Barefoot Contessa, 2 lengths back, Blind Ambition, then followed by Sangre del Tigre, Pleasure Giver. Here comes Honor Rose around the outside, sing a song, hot shot, long way back. Is entry number 5, Chinoy and Len, who's running in a tail of the field. Nearing the last 600, Super Wind by only a length. And Barefoot Contessa try to get closer in second. Blind Ambition running in third. Moving up now with Sangre del Tigre and Pleasure Giver. Inside the last 600, Super Wind, Barefoot Contessa on the outside. And running in third, Blind Ambition, Pleasure Giver. Moving up now the farther outside. As they swing for home, Super Wind hanging on. And Barefoot Contessa, Pleasure Giver on the outside. It's still Super Wind moving up on the outside. It's Pleasure Giver, but still Super Wind. Followed by Pleasure Giver, Barefoot Contessa, Blind Ambition, Sangre del Tigre, and Hot Shout.